Hello kids, welcome to Educate Your Child. I hope you all are doing good. Okay students, in the previous video we did that what is the multiplication on number line, right? And today we are going to do the book exercise related to multiplication on number line. Okay students, so without wasting any time, let's get started now. Okay students, so here we have a worksheet and we have to solve these 6 questions. All right. Okay. So the question is indicate hops on each number line and complete the multiplication sentences. All right. So now let's start with the first question. 4 into 3. Now how are we going to do this 4 into 3? I told you that we always starts with the 0 number, right? 4 into 3. 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. This we have learnt. But how it's possible 4 threes are 12? 4 steps. How many times? 4 steps. How many times? 3 times. 4 threes are 12. 4. Okay, now let's start with from the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. One time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times. All right. So 4 threes are 12. Now let's move on to the next one. 5 into 2. 5 twos are? Yes, 5 twos are 10. Now let's do it on the number line. We always starts from the 0. Yes, 5 twos are 10. 5 steps. How many times? 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 times. Where we reach? 10. So 5 twos are 10. Alright. Okay. Now let's start with the next question. 4 twos are? Sorry, 2 fours are? 16. Yes, 2 fours are 16. So how it's going to make that? Sorry, 2 fours are 8. I'm so sorry. It's 2 fours are 8. Now, 2 steps, how many times? 4 times, right? So, 1, 2, 1 time, 1, 2, 2 times, 1, 2, 3 times, 1, 2, 4 times, where we reach 8. So, 2 fours are 8. Next, 3 fives are 15. Yes, 3 fives are 15. Now, let's do it on the number line. 3 steps. How many times? 5 times. 1, 2, 3. 1 time. 1, 2, 3. 2 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 4 times. 1, 2, 3. 5 times. Right? So 3 fives are 15. Next. 9 ones are 9. So 9 steps. How many times? 1 time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where we reach? 9. 9 ones are 9. Last but not the least is 7 twos are? 7 twos are 14. Yes. Now how it's going to make? Always starts from 0. And 7 steps, how many times? 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 times. So 7 twos are 14. Okay, students. I hope you understand this concept. Still, if you have any doubts, then please do comment in the comment box. And if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.